So hi friends, today we'll be seeing one of the most important features in C program, that is if statement. Okay, so first I'll be explaining you what is if statement. Okay, then next I'll be explaining you if statement with example. What is that example? To know whether a given number is odd or even. Okay, this is without scanf. Okay, and in the next part I'll be explaining you with scanf. Okay, so with scanf. Okay, so now let's go with the if statement. Okay, so where the if condition is used. Okay, suppose let us say I am taking int tickets in the sense number of tickets. Okay, so if tickets equal to 0, in the sense for a given show in the cinema theater, if number of tickets equal to 0 means all the tickets are booked, then he is asking me if the all the tickets are booked, in the sense if there is no ticket available. Okay, so let us say tickets available. Okay, so if tickets available equal to 0, in the sense houseful. Okay, so no tickets are available, so I need to show the customer that no tickets are available, the house is full. If tickets available is not equal to 0, then I should not show houseful. Only if tickets available equal to 0, I need to show theater as houseful. If tickets available is not equal to 0, if at all there is 1 ticket or 2 tickets or 3 tickets, then I must not show it as houseful. So if some customer comes and asks you in this way, then how can you write a C program? Okay, so till now you have seen different C programs which I have explained you in the recent videos. So by using those logics, can you write this one? Okay, if this is a condition, then I want this. If this is not the condition, then I don't want. So for this type of scenarios, the best example in C language is if condition. Okay, so for that we'll be using if statement. Okay, so the criteria for if statement is, in the sense I am explaining the syntax. Okay, is if statement will be having a condition, okay, in brackets, followed by action in curly brace. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? I'll be telling you. Okay, so what I need to say, if tickets available equal to 0, printf theater is houseful. Okay, so if tickets available okay, so just I'm copying it and pasting, because if something spelling mistake goes, then again it will be a big problem. Okay, so if tickets available double equal to 0, okay, then printf houseful. Okay, so what I'm see, if, okay, so there should be some condition. If tickets available equal to 0, then I need to show. So that's why every if statement will be having a condition brackets. What is that condition? If tickets available equal to 0. And one more important thing in C language is, whenever you are assigning the value to a variable, here if you see here, int tickets available equal to 0. Okay, int tickets available equal to 0. Okay, so for assigning a value, you will be using single equal to. Okay, so always remember in if condition. Okay, in if condition, or here you are testing whether tickets available is 0 or not. So for for that case, okay, in if condition, okay, in if condition or for testing or for checking, okay, both means the same. Okay, so in if condition or for checking, always you need to use double equal to. Okay, this is very important. If you use here tickets available equal to 0, then you will be getting compiler, because always to assign a value you need to use single equal to test you need to use double equal to. Okay, remember, if you do vice versa, suppose if you use double equal to here or single equal to here, both the times you will be getting compiler. So for assigning the value, single equal to; for testing, double equal to. Okay, so what I told you, if followed by the condition in the brackets followed by the action. So here you are telling if tickets available equal to 0. So if tickets available equal to 0, what you need to do, you need to show the customer that the theater is houseful. So this is called action. Okay, so for something you are doing this one, so that something is called action. So this is called action. So action is always need to be enclosed in curly braces. Okay, why I'll be explaining why we are using this curly braces. Okay, so now if tickets available double equal to 0, then you need to print houseful. If not, you need to print nothing. Okay, so if tickets available not equal to 0, okay, in your mathematics you will be writing equal to and you will be cancelling it, but in C language you will be using the same operator as this one, exclamatory mark equal to. So exclamatory mark equal to is nothing but not equal to. So if tickets available not equal to 0, then printf please book the tickets, please book the tickets. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we'll be running the program. Houseful, so ticket available equal to 0, so that's why we are getting houseful. Okay, now you 1, or let us say some 19. Okay, now see the output. Okay, please book the tickets. So even your uh, younger sibling or anyone will be telling what is the output, because here in tickets equal to 19 and we are testing, so 19 is not equal to 0, so this will be going into this if condition and please book the tickets, it will be printing. But as a programmer you need to understand the compiling. Okay, so as I told you, compiler will be always started from the next line of the main program. Okay, so it will be starting here, it will be coming, it will be creating a variable tickets available of int, and the value will be getting assigned, that is 19, to the tickets available. Okay, this thing you know. So now in the if statement, first it goes to the condition. Okay, this condition true or false? False. So if the condition is false, okay, I'll be writing that one also. If the condition is false in if statement, then compiler directly jumps to closing brace. Okay, else it will execute the statements within the braces. Okay, so first of all, coming here, if the condition is true or not. Here condition is not true. Why? Because 19 will never be equal to 0. So what I told, if the condition is false in if statement, then compiler directly jumps to the closing brace. So this one is false. Okay, that's why it will be jumping directly to the next line of the closing brace. That's why it doesn't encode this statement. So that's why your houseful will not be printed. Now again it will be checking this if statement. Okay, if tickets available not equal to 0, so what is this tickets available? 19 is not equal to 0, so the condition is true. So else it will execute the statements within the brace. So what are the statements within the brace? That is printf. So we'll be printing this one. So if statement is nothing but if a condition is met, then we'll be making the compiler to execute that one. Otherwise we'll be directly making it to skip that statement. Okay, so that is the beautiful concept of if statement. Still, if you have any doubts, okay, just clearly note down this comment section statements. Okay, so I'll be explaining what is meaning the comments also in the later videos. Okay, don't worry. So whatever I have written in the comment section, please note down. Okay, so you will be getting more clarity. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so now we have covered the first thing which I want to tell, that is if statement. Okay, now I want to tell you if statement with the example whether a given number is odd or even or not. Okay, so we'll be taking the same thing here. Okay, so int a equal to 3. Okay, so I need to take this example for if statement. Okay, so how to test whether given number is odd or even? The same thing in your maths. How you'll be testing? You'll be dividing it by 2, and if the remainder is equal to 0, then it's even number, or if remainder equal to 1, then it's odd number. So the same thing you'll be applying in the C language also. But to find the remainder, what I told you in the third video, we need to use modular division. So the same thing we'll be doing here. Okay, if statement, what I told you recently, if statement should be followed by the condition. Okay, so what's the condition to check whether it's an even number or not? Modular division should be equal to 0. So a modular divided by 2 testing, so double equal to remainder should be 0. Okay, and condition should be followed by the open curly brace. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? A modular division dot 2 double equal to 0 means it's even number, so you need to print it's even number. Okay, that's it. The same thing. Okay, you can put here a modular division 2 not equal to 0, or even you can put a modular division 2 double equal to 1. Both are same. Okay, so what's the meaning of this one? If a number is divided by 2 and if the remainder is 1, then what it is? Odd number. Okay, now we'll be printing. So what is 3? 3 is odd number. Now change it. Okay, 4. Okay, now you are getting even number. Okay, so again I'll be explaining you the compiling. So I told you many times, and again I'm repeating, as a C programmer you need to think how the compiler will be executing each and every step. Okay, so the compiling will be started here. It comes to this line and it will be creating a variable a of size int, and it will be assigning a value 4, and if it will be coming to here. So what I told you, whenever it encounters if statement, then first step it will be testing the condition. Okay, so 4 modular division by 2 is double equal to 0 or not. It will be 4 modular by division 2, how much, what will be the remainder? A remainder will be 0. So 0 equal to 0, yes, then it will be going into the curly brace and it will be printing printf even number, and it will be coming out. Again it will be encountering the second if statement, a modular division by 2. 4 modular division by 2 is 0, but 0 equal to 1 now? No. So that's why again it will be skipping and it will be jumping to the closing curly brace. So this statement will be skipped. Okay, got it? So we have covered this one also. If statement with the example whether a given number is odd or not without using scanf function. Okay, so this is the logic. Now using the scanf function. Okay, so simple int a printf. Okay, now then scanf. That's it, same program, just we are using scanf. Okay, so run, enter any number. I want to know whether 9 is odd or even. Give 9 odd number. Okay, I want to know 6 is odd or even. Okay, even number. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding if statement or condition or action or curly braces, brackets, scanf, modular division, anything, please reach out to me in comment section and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.